Florida's largest and rapidly expanding cities, with a strong commitment to fiscal responsibility, public safety, and enhancing the quality of life for residents. Under her leadership, public safety has been a paramount concern, resulting in Port St. Lucie being consistently recognized as the safest large city in Florida. Please welcome Mayor Shanon Martin.
Good evening, everyone. It is my honor to be here tonight with all of you, Dr. Manon, distinguished guests, community leaders, members of the Philippine American Association of the Treasure Coast, and friends. Thank you for the opportunity to be here tonight as you celebrate this remarkable milestone. 41 years is more than an anniversary. It's a legacy built by people who understand the importance of preserving culture, strengthening community, supporting one another, and creating opportunities for future generations. For more than 4 decades, this organization has helped keep traditions alive while also helping families establish roots on the Treasure Coast. And that is something worth celebrating. Tonight's gathering is a reminder that community is not built overnight. It is built over time through shared experiences, through relationships, through service, and through people who care enough to invest in something larger than themselves. And when I look around the room tonight, I see exactly that. I see generations gathered here together. I see families. I see pride in heritage. I see friendships that have lasted for decades. And I see a community that continues to contribute in a meaningful way to the fabric of our community. One of the things that makes Port St. Lucie special is that so many people have arrived here from somewhere else. Some came from other states, some have come from other countries, some came searching for opportunity. Others came looking for a better future for their children and their grandchildren. And over time, those different stories became part of one shared community, and that is the story of Port St. Lucie. We're a city that continues to grow, not only in population, but in culture, in perspective, and possibility. And organizations like the Philippine American Association have played an important role in shaping that growth in very positive ways. Because growth means very little if people do not feel connected to one another. A truly strong city is not defined by buildings, roads, or development projects. It is defined by the people who choose to care about their community and about one another. That is the heart of a city. And tonight that spirit is very present in this room. For many Philippine American families, this is a deep understanding of sacrifice, hard work, resilience, and family responsibility. There is also a deep respect for education, for service, and for creating those opportunities for our future generations. And those values strengthen our entire community. They create stability, they create belonging, they create pride not only in where you've come from, but in what you are helping build for our future. And one of the things I admire most about our cultural organizations is their ability to preserve heritage while also helping people feel at home in communities where they live today. And that balance matters, because maintaining connection to your culture and traditions does not separate people from community, it enriches our community. And it allows younger generations to understand where they've come from while also understanding where they're going. And in a world that sometimes feels increasingly disconnected, gatherings like this remind us how important it is to stay connected to one another, to celebrate traditions, share stories, support future generations, and continue to building relationships across cultures and backgrounds. That is how communities become stronger. It is also why I believe Port St. Lucie's future is so promising. As our city continues to grow, we have an opportunity to shape not just what our community looks like, but what it feels like. We can become a place where people from many different backgrounds truly feel that they belong. A place where families put down roots, a place where culture is celebrated and not lost, a place where opportunity and community exist side by side. And when organizations like this continue investing in young people, preserving traditions, awarding scholarships, and bringing generations together, it sends a powerful message about the kind of community we've become. Recently, our city welcomed a remarkable new public art piece, The Heart in the Park, created by world-renowned Filipino-American artist Jeffrey. Yes. Have you all seen it? It's absolutely beautiful. The sculpture is already becoming a landmark, but I believe its meaning goes beyond public art. A heart represents connection. It represents belonging and unity. And in many ways, that sculpture reflects exactly what events like this represent as well. People coming together, families gathering across generations, cultures being honored and shared, and communities growing stronger as a result of those connections. That is the heart of a city. Not simply growth for the sake of growth, but people choosing to build something meaningful. And as we celebrate this 41st anniversary tonight, I hope you take pride not only in the history of this organization, but also in its continued impact on the future of our entire community. Your contributions matter, and the traditions that you preserve matter. An example you set for younger generations matters, and that sense of belonging that you create for families matters. As mayor, I want you to know that Port St. Lucie is stronger because of communities like this one. Stronger because of the leadership, the culture, and because of the service and presence in our community for more than 4 decades. So tonight, as you celebrate this milestone together, may you continue to building bridges across generations. May you continue sharing your culture proudly. And may you continue helping shape a city where people from all backgrounds can come together around something larger than themselves. A shared future, a shared community, and a shared heart. Thank you and congratulations on 41 wonderful years, and enjoy this special evening.